We are here in Gloucester County to take a tour through the summer programs offered in partnership with DARS to Gloucester High School students. Through communication, collaboration, and cooperation, students have been able to engage in robust programming, including culinary and welding programs at RCC and a drone camp at Page Middle School.
The summer programs came about as a collaborative partnership between the DARS counselor, Ann-Marita Clark, our model interagency program facilitator, Rachel McDonald, and then Sally Hartley, the transition specialist for Gloucester High School. In collaboration with community partners like Rappahannock Community College, it's an opportunity for students to be exposed and explore different career clusters and pathways with Rappahannock Community College, such as the Welding Academy, the Culinary Arts Academy, so they get more information hands-on about these career clusters. And then we have a drone academy in partnership with Chris Carter and Dr. Scott Bellows of the Virginia Space Grant Consortium, which is an opportunity for students, again, to be exposed to this flying of drones, learning how to operate a drone, learning what drones do, how they're used in employment, and then for additional training, where to go to get that training, which obviously can get at some of the local community colleges. So it's really, for some students, it's just an exposure, exploration, and an opportunity for them to get hands-on skills in an area of interest.
The instructor's really nice, both of them, they're really great, and I gotta say, I really enjoy it. Welding, I've always wanted to weld, always, so it's a really good experience to be able to weld. It's difficult at first, but it's very fun, and yeah, it's just really enjoyable, and it's a good time. Everybody here in the community, it's awesome. They're really sweet.
So we kind of go over fabrication, a little bit of fabrication with them. Obviously, very first thing is safety. So, you know, they understand the safe practices with oxyacetylene handling, any electrical handling, because welding is very electrical. So they go over all those safety items, and then they actually learn how to weld as well. So we kind of give them a starter plate. They just learn how to strike an arc, or get a puddle going and have the proper structure for a puddle. And we build off of that and go from there and have them build projects. And we also have them weld out a 3G plate, which is it's normally for a bend test for AWSD 1.1, so they're actually able to get a qualification in that process. They normally get a lot more excited about it, and they get very intrigued about employment in welding, and there's plenty of opportunity for that, and we have a lot of partners that we've worked with to help get people employed in the field, and it's been turning out very well.
I absolutely love it. I'm hoping for it to be a career one day. It's one of the best part is that I don't have to worry about anything else. I can just go, learn, and enjoy.
So we're learning about food safety, sanitation, correct food handling. We talk a lot about order. Okay, this is the first thing you do. Then you do this, and then this. Especially for kids who are younger and have never really experienced much in the way of workforce, to be honest, to understand what they need to do and why it's so important to do it this way. A couple of these kids are in a culinary program at the high school level. A couple of them just want to learn how to cook something. They like cooking, or they like the idea of it, and they just want to learn more about it.
I wanted to learn how to cook for myself and be instead of providing or wanting others to cook for me, I could just cook for myself. If I need when I get a job, I can have that experience of cooking.
I want to open my own restaurant, and probably like a burger place. I'm not really sure yet.
I think it's imperative for students to be able to explore different career options, especially if they are getting this actual small glimpse into what it's really going to be like, and they could be like, this is exactly what I want to do, or thank you, next we need to, this is great, but I'd like to pursue something else. So having that ability to explore those options while they're in high school is extremely important. So what we do is we explore their interests by giving them transition assessments, and then we review the transition assessments together, the student and I do, and then I conduct an interview with them. And then I pretty much give them an overview of the different things we offer and try to, especially if they show interest, promote our certain camps that I think that they would be interested in participating in. Well, I just think the most important part about high school, the end game is that the students will be successfully employed. And if it's to pursue vocational school, college, or go straight into the workforce, to have that idea of what they want to do beforehand and to be able to explore those different opportunities is just something that I think all students need to have available, but I think it's very important for students that have needs to have that one little leg up so that they have an idea of what they want to do when they graduate.
These summer offerings are why the Virginia's collaborative model for pre-employment and transition services chose to highlight Gloucester as a beacon of excellence.